How to get Sculk Shrieker in Minecraft. So first what you will need to do is go to the ancient city or the deep dark biome right here. Now once you're here, so this is a Sculk Shrieker right here. This is what it will look like. And you will need a pickaxe with the Silk Touch enchantment to get this. So just be careful to not trigger the sensor. Because this Sculk Shrieker will spawn the warden if it triggers the sensor. Just be careful around it and just simply mine it just like that. So I'm just gonna go to creative to show you guys. I'll go right here and let's try to mine it. Just simply wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, we now have mined the Skulk Shrieker right there. So just keep in mind that once you've mined it, you cannot spawn the warden anymore if you put it again. Just like that. So if you want to go to this biome, you just simply need to use the locate command just like so. Just type in locate, then structure, then type in ancient city. And this will show you the coordinates of the ancient city. What you can do is just simply click on it again to teleport. Then just simply click or type in the command just like that, /tp at s, and the coordinates, then click on enter. So you might get spawned under a rock right here, but you're basically gonna get teleported right there. So you could also search it on under mountains and stuff, since it sometimes spawns right there just under the mountains. But that's how I basically get and use a Sculk Shrieker in Minecraft.